Select just a couple of colors that work all together, or at the very least avoid lots of variation in small areas, but feel free to mix up texture and size. We are here to help.
Winter lawn tips. Is it better to leave your lawn short or long for the winter? Ideally, it's best to have your lawn at 2.5 inches in length ready for winter. You need to get there gradually if your lawn is really tall. It is important to give your turf one last short mow and fertilization treatment before the winter. Maintain the rule of thumb of taking only 1/3 height off your lawn whenever you mow. So for cool season grasses you would feed early spring or late summer, ideally 6 weeks before your region's anticipated first frost date. Weed control tips. Most ask for how do I prevent weeds in my lawn? It takes a proper lawn maintenance schedule to keep your lawn weed-free or nearly weed-free. You can treat broadleaf weeds with soil treatments or weed and feed products which have a combination of fertilizer and herbicide. Should I aerate my lawn? In the fall, aerate your lawn if necessary, enabling oxygen to reach the roots so that they may grow strong. Come spring, you begin fresh and handpick weeds yourself or hire someone to remove the weeds in your lawn. Your yard may need it to be aerated. Ideally, you aerate your norm in its peak growing season so that it can recover quickly, so either earliest spring or fall for cool season grasses and late spring early summer for warm season grasses. Ideally, aerate your lawn in its peak growing season so that it can recover quickly, so either earliest spring or fall for cool season grasses and late spring early summer for warm season grasses. However, if you have high traffic areas or heavy clay soil, you should aerate every year. Here are some ways to make your lawn look lush green. Aerate your lawn. Water your lawn deeply and less often. Cut your grass correctly to the recommended height. Use compost from your kitchen and garden waste, spread it around and let it act as a natural fertilizer. Some suggest using corn gluten meal as a natural herbicide and lawn fertilizer. Make sure you mow your lawn with sharp blades. Finally, invest in a well-balanced fertilizer.
Contact us now for more information.